Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a grilled Reuben sandwich with Russian sauce right here. Okay, these are the ingredients for the Russian sauce right here. And this is water for my brisket right here. I have some sauerkraut, some Swiss cheese, some butter, some onion. And this, I'm going with the sourdough today. Normally they use rye, but I want to use the sourdough. Okay, so let's jump right into it. All right, I'm just gonna move this stuff out the way because we're gonna work on this when we get our Reuben sandwich going. Got my pressure cooker right here with my pot for it. Anyway, so right here we're just gonna cut this open. We're just gonna dump this in this pan. This pot. Some of the sauce and all that stuff. Make sure we got that seasoning pack out of there. There's a seasoning pack that comes in here. So we will wash that off later. Slide that up in there. Throw that in the garbage. Fish out that other seasoning pack right there. Wash these off real quick. Alright, there's our meat and stuff in there along with the sauce. And we're just going to pour this 3 cups of water. You may need about 5. So yep, we're going to go with 5 cups. Okay, here's 2 more cups. That should do it. That's what we're looking like right there. I'm going to take these seasoning packs. Open that up. Just spread it in there like so. We're gonna cook this bad boy for about an hour and a half in our pressure cooker. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this started for about an hour and a half. So I'm gonna cook it for an hour, then I'm gonna put it on like, I don't know, like 45 minutes or something like that, or 30 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm over here. There's some meat. That's about an hour. I'm just gonna let that go for about an hour, then we come back for like 30 minutes. So see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We're gonna go in here with for our Russian dressing. We're gonna come in here with like a cup of mayonnaise. Now this recipe is called for like shallots or onions, you know, like maybe a 1/4 teaspoon or something like that, or 2 tablespoons with that. But I don't have that because my kids don't like that. So this is some horseradish right here, guys. We're gonna put some of that in there, or like a tablespoon with that. All right, now here's my granulated onion. I'm gonna go on ahead and put some like maybe like a 1/2 teaspoon of that in there. This is my smoked paprika. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of that in there. I'm gonna come in here with some of this Worcestershire sauce. Probably about a teaspoon. Sriracha. Like a tablespoon of that. Like so. Ketchup. We want to come with like I want to say like a 1/4 cup of the ketchup. Alright. Get that out of there. And you can put you some dry onions or some shallots. Just cut them super thin. Alright. So we're just going to mix this up, fam. And we do want this to chill while we're cooking our meat. I want to give this a taste. So I'm going to just taste it like that. That tastes pretty good. That tastes real good. Oh yeah. So I think I want to put a little bit more horseradish in it, because I like the kick of it. So about We're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let this chill. This is good, fam. It's your Russian sauce. Alright, when that food get done, that meat, show you how to put I'm gonna put it together. See you guys in a minute. Alright, fam, I'm back. It's been an hour and a half. This thing right here. I'm gonna scrape some of them seeds and all that stuff off and let this stuff cool down before I try to attempt to cut it. It's like super tender. And you don't have to cook it that long if you have a slicer. See how tender that is? So I'm gonna let this cool down. These are the actual sizes. They shrunk down like this. See how big they was when I got started. So yeah, I'm just gonna knock some of these seeds and stuff down. Get some of this fat off it. Let this cool down, and then I'm gonna cut it. Okay, fam, I'm back. Here's my meat. I sliced it up right here. Let's go ahead and start building. So there's my stuff. We're gonna put our cheese on first. 2 slices per side, like so. I'm just going to show you guys one, and I'll finish the rest of them up off of this. Like so. Take you some meat. Okay, fam, my camera turned off for me, so I had to find a new battery. So yeah, so you want to put your sauce on here like so. Then we're going to take some of this sauerkraut. Put some of that on here. The reason why I'm doing like this, because I want my bread to be soggy, okay? As much as you want on yours. And we'll take some onions. Put on there. Now I do this a couple of different ways. I will leave a link to when I did make this before. I made it like 2 different ways. So that's it pretty much right there. And I'm going to put this on. See if I can spread that out a little bit. Just like so. And we're going to take this over and grill it. See you guys in a minute. Alright, fam, I'm back. Just going to put a little butter in here. Like so. Put our sandwich in here. We're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side on medium low. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm going to try to flip this. Just like so. Alright. And they're brown. I'm going to finish up the rest and show you guys the ending products. See you guys in a minute. Alright, fam, I'm finally done with this Reuben sandwich with homemade Russian sauce. Okay, let me show you that up close. If I can pick this big mug up, it's heavy too. So that's how this looks. I made some crispy fries. What I did was microwave them, then cut them up and deep fry them. Okay, fam? So I did get, what, about 6 of these bad boys. Here's my other plate with the other ones on it. Alright? So I got about 6 of these bad boys. Let me grab one of these fries. Okay, good. If you like this video, guys, please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget that's right, you already know. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love.